Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Julie will be showing you her top 5 nail hacks for painting your nails easier that actually work. These hacks will have you painting your nails like a pro in no time. So let's jump right into it.
Hey, it's Julie. Now let's get started. The first hack I have for you that's going to make painting your nails a whole lot easier is to pick a nail polish with a brush that suits your nail size. So if you have short, small nails, use a polish that has a shorter brush. That's going to help you maneuver into your nail better. But if you have wider nails, using a narrow brush is going to make you have to dip into your polish a bunch of times, and it can cause your coats to get streaky. So if you have wider nail beds or big nails in general, use a nail polish that has a brush that's wide. This is going to make you be able to apply the polish easier and in fewer strokes. The next helpful tip is to remove the excess polish from your brush. If you have too much product on your brush, you are going to flood your cuticle area, and that's going to be a lot harder to clean up than it is to prevent. So I always wipe one side of the brush off, and then if you have bigger nails, I leave the other side fully loaded with polish, but if your nails are smaller, I also remove half of the other side as well. The next tip is to apply the polish a little bit below your cuticle and then push the product up. This will allow you to get a really clean nail polish line and get as close to the cuticle as you can without flooding it. This next trick is the most important one in my book. If you mess up and get nail polish on your skin, use a toothpick to scrape off the excess first, and then I like to take a craft brush. It doesn't have to be a fancy brush. Sometimes I'll use the e.l.f. eyeliner brushes too because they're super cheap, and I dip that into nail polish remover, and then I go around my nail polish and just really straighten up that line and get off any nail polish I have on my skin. This is going to take your manicure from a I did it myself to I might have got them done at a salon look. And the last tip is a little bit on the head, but it's a complete game changer if you do your nails yourself. Find a top coat that is marketed as quick dry, not a clear polish. Clear polishes are totally different than top coats. A quick dry polish is going to dry the surface of your nail polish, which is going to protect the layers underneath and allow them to dry. There you have 5 nail tips that actually work and are going to make painting your nails a whole lot easier. If you'd like to watch more Cute Polish videos, you can click on these boxes here and click on the circle to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. If you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, you can click on the circle here.